Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing this morning? I just gotta get set up. Yesterday, I was running on 1 hour of sleep. Just gonna wait for the chat room to load up. Oh, in the meantime, let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis. How are they doing pre-market? So right now, Aurora Cannabis pre-market is negative 3.57%. So it's looking like another red morning. Who knows, we might start the morning off red and then bounce back, but as of now, morning's not looking too great. Let's look at Canopy. Canopy is also down. Let's see, pre-market. Canopy's down 3% pre-market. Chronos most likely down as well. Pre-market Chronos is down 2.54%. It's not looking good right now in the pre-market. Hexo Hexo's down 1.32% pre-market. What else can we look at? Aleafia. No. No movement in the pre-market. Let's see how FANG stocks are doing. Apple's down 1.2% in the pre-market. Facebook. Facebook is down 1%. So right now, pre-market, it's looking like a red day. Sell. When do we pick it up again? Good morning. I sold my wife, Aurora. Looking to buy that bitch back at a better price. Yeah, Aurora. Everything's down pre-market right now. Honestly, if it goes back down to $8 Canadian prices, I might pick up Aurora again. So maybe this might create another buying opportunity. And good morning, Jolanda. Good morning, Mike. Sold for about $30 yesterday in 40 can stocks. 4 can stocks. Looking on price, I want to buy back. What did you sell at $30 yesterday, Dennis? So yeah, pre-market, how low can you go? Chronos. Well, I just took a look at Chronos. Let's see. But Chronos is currently down. I think it was 3%. Damn, wrong ticker symbol. I gotta reorganize my watch list. For some reason, it got unorganized. Chronos is down 2.54% pre-market. It's going down to 19.15 American. It's tough to say how low it will go, because when you look at technical analysis, it's still a buy, a strong buy. I think Chronos, it could go potentially to what Altria paid for them. I think Altria bought Chronos at around 16 something a share, so it might go back down to that price, but it's hard to say. They could easily bounce back. So Chronos is down 2.54%. See what else everyone's saying. Get what you pay for. Good morning, Miranda. Have you looked at Kiron? Let's take a look at Kiron. But the thing is, you know what? Let's get this out of here. I don't think there's a pre-market for Kiron. KH. Let's look at the. But they've been on fire. Yesterday on a red day, they went up 12%. Right now, you can't really see what's gonna happen pre-market. But if they go according to the rest of the market, it's gonna be a red day. Well, red morning, because it might pick up in the afternoon. It might pick up. I didn't hear how are the pups. They're actually very good right now. The mama's with them. Every time she's separated from them, she whines. Sometimes I gotta take her outside, and you could tell she already misses the puppies. But the puppies are doing very good. I'm gonna try to upload a video on them. I'm just super tired. Yesterday I was running on 1 hour of sleep. I went to bed at 2 a.m. and then at 3 a.m. my dog started like panting, and I had a feeling she was ready to give birth. So Afria, Aleafia, Canopy, Suniva, and Harvest Health. Sorry, 5, all with about sold 5. I'm guessing all with about 40% profit. Those are nice profits, man. Hope you're enjoying them, Dennis. Aleafia expanding into Europe. Get in low. Canada MJ sector is following Kron. Oh, good mama and papa. Thank you. Yes, right now the MJ sector is looking bad. So Kron is I don't think Kron's the big loser today. Let's see how low they are. Oh no, I need to look at their American ticker symbol. So let's see if they keep moving down more. 2.54. Try to remember. Let's take a look at Aurora real quick. Let's look at all these companies. Aurora's currently down 3.29% in the pre-market. So Aurora is the big loser as of now. Hexo, let's look at Hexo American. Hexo's currently down 1.28%, not as bad. Canopy is down 3.4%. How's Tilray doing? Oops, that's not the symbol. Tilray is currently down 1.32%. Not bad for Tilray. Even Apple, Facebook, how's Amazon doing? They're down as well. But let's see how Amazon's doing. The pre-market. Amazon's currently down. It's just not a good day today. It looks like all these companies are down in the pre-market, but it might pick up. Tesla's down 1%. We're just having a red pre-market. Maybe we're gonna have a red morning. Hopefully, it turns green throughout the day, but we might just have another red day. Canada MJ sector's falling. Crom, Suniva only up 5% this time. Let's take a look at Suniva real quick, and I'm gonna try to get through all your comments. Sometimes I do notice that I'm missing comments because I do watch the comments after the live stream and read them all. And yeah, I don't ignore anyone's comments on purpose. So Suniva, I don't see the pre-market here. I would probably have to go on another site, but that would take time. I'd need to be more set up for that. Where was I? What platform are you using? This is tradingview.com. You can easily just go on the internet, Safari, whatever you use, Google Chrome, and just type in tradingview.com, and anyone has access to this. You can also upgrade to the better program, but there's no point of paying extra when you have the free one. Good morning, Luis. What's going on with Aurora? Right now, Aurora is down 3.49. Last time I checked, we could check again to see whether they're moving up or down. They were negative 3.49 in the pre-market, and right now they are negative 3.27. Oh no, I think that was the same number as before. So Aurora is looking red in the pre-market. Might continue to push forward. Might continue to go down. Might continue to push forward throughout the afternoon. Good morning, Rippin. Good morning, Luis. I think I already said good morning. The dogs are fine. The puppies are fine. I'm gonna try to make a video about them. Even though they don't get that many views, I know a lot of people want to see the puppies, so I'm gonna make a video on them. Or if you have me on Instagram, you guys can follow me on Instagram. I'll type it right here. I have a little story that I made about the puppies. You can kind of see them. Usually Instagram gets those quick little videos first, but I will be uploading one to YouTube. So my Instagram's investing.hustler. I did make a little story about the puppies. Sorry, my bad. English. I'm from Denmark and skipped English lessons. No problem, Dennis. I understood everything you're saying. You sold someone waiting on the right time to jump in again. Are you talking about Aurora, Dennis? Or I've collected profits on Aurora and I'm holding on to a core position. I made a video on how I strategize my trading not too long ago. I think it was should I sell Aurora Cannabis, and I talked about exactly how I play the stock market. So I already sold my position in Aurora Cannabis, but I will be holding on to a core position long term, just in case Aurora continues to push forward. I already collected my profits with Aurora, and I'm gonna hold on to a position long term. If another buying opportunity comes around, I will be buying more shares. That's for sure. I want to see your puppies. You know what? Maybe I could show you guys the puppies real quick in the live stream. How long do I think ACB will go down today? Who knows? Aurora might continue to go down the whole day. Oh no, yeah, yeah. See, now Aurora's down 3.3% pre-market. So it's getting a little worse and a little worse as time goes on. So we might just have a red day today. But you never know what could happen because sometimes the pre-market, like right here on February 5th, we had a green pre-market, and as you could see in the morning, it jumped and then immediately declined right after that. So right now, what we're going to see in the morning, it's going to decline, but who knows? It might immediately jump, or it could easily decline and continue to decline. Right now, it's not looking very good. It's looking like a downtrend. So if we see Aurora continue to make lower lows, so right here it went as low as $7.31. If we see Aurora go to $7.10 today, American, it might be a little downtrend pattern because we keep hitting lower lows. So right here it hit a low of 753, then it went down to 732. So if it goes down to like 710, that means we are now starting to downtrend on Aurora, and this could continue to downtrend for, it's almost impossible to tell because if you look at history, let's try to look at their 1 year charts. If you look at history, once Aurora starts a downtrend, it could get ugly. We might see one of these days where all of a sudden it continues to go on for months. Sometimes their downtrends go on for months. Then we've seen a nice little uptrend for almost 2 months, and now who knows? We might just see a little small downtrend. This could just be a little correction, and then they might continue to push forward again. It's too unpredictable to say for sure. Um, T, are you that right? How long will ACV go down? What do you mean T, are you that right? Are you talking to someone else? Might go down, might go up, genius. It won't stay the same. Well, I'm not going to say something is guaranteed if I don't know the answer to that. Good evening from here, FSD, Oxley Use. ACB sucks anyways. Why not talk about Canopy? They are the #1 company. I did talk about Canopy, and they are currently down in the pre-market. Canopy is down, let's see, is down 3.29% in the pre-market right now. So the marijuana sector is looking down. Yeah, Canopy is too expensive. I would like them to see go below $40, and then that would be a good buying price. Your stocks, them all cool. Thank you, Dennis. How we feel about MedMen at these prices, expecting 40% revenue increase when they release earnings on the 27th. We could take a look at MedMen real quick. Let's take a look at MedMen. MedMen Enterprises. But I don't think they're going to show a pre-market for MedMen. Oh, yeah, MedMen is down 0.99% pre-market. So they're actually not doing bad. And looking at these charts, MedMen is pretty much near the 52-week low. So I like MedMen at these prices. I would not mind picking up MedMen. Let's look at their technical analysis real quick. So their market cap 1.47 billion. Not the greatest. Shares 441 million. That's still a lot of shares outstanding. Price to book 12. Price to sales 37. It's not bad, but most of these marijuana companies their valuations are not the greatest. You look at these technical analysis, they're neutral, a sell, and a strong sell. Let's look at the 1 minute. They're a buy, a sell, and a strong sell. It's still questionable right now. We're currently downtrending in the marijuana sector, so I would probably wait until I see it starting to recover before I start a position, because who knows how low MedMen can go. It might potentially go down to 254, might go down to 270, and then start uptrending. But right now we're currently downtrending in the sector, so I don't know. It's a gamble. If you're willing to take that gamble, you could do it. These stocks, them all cool. BCCI has joined forces with the NBA and the NBA channel to run commercials full time starting immediately. Is BCCI that battery company? Let's see. Oh no, that's the Baristas Coffee. I actually picked up some shares the other day because I liked how they had a huge increase that day, and then all of a sudden they just declined like crazy. So I picked up some BCCI. It is a penny stock and it is a huge gamble, but the fact that it just went down so much in one day, it just I am putting a stop loss on it, a 5 to 10% stop loss. So if that position continues to decline too much, I might just get rid of my position. Sometimes you gotta know when to cut your losses. But as of now, I do see this as a nice buying opportunity because the fact that it just went up so much in one day, it might recover. It might continue to decline. I don't know. But I took a gamble with them. So, and then the fact that you're telling me this, and I actually see the news right here. Barista adds NBA TV running national prime time TV spots seen at Super Bowl. That's amazing. That's good for them. More publicity for them. So hopefully they reverse and start pushing forward. So that's good. What's your opinion on NBev? Let's try to look at NBev real quick. NBev, new age beverages. So right now NBev is down 3.24% in the pre-market. If we look at their technical analysis, and once again, I say this every time, never gamble on technical analysis. They're right or wrong 50% of the time, so it's never something that you should place a bet on. So they're currently a neutral, a buy, a strong buy. You look at their 1 minute, they're a buy, a sell, and a sell. Market cap 494 million. Shares outstanding, I like that. 49 million shares outstanding. So this company could be very volatile since there's no share dilution. There's a small amount of shares outstanding. Let's look at their. This is actually a very good valuation. They have a 10 price to revenue, a 9 price to sales. Price to book is a 4.5. It's not bad. I like the fact that it has a small amount of shares outstanding. Market cap 494, which isn't bad. It's not even in the billions, and the fact that it's near right now, it's near its, well, let's see. It's probably not near its 52-week low. Let's look at this. Do they have? Yeah, it's not near the bottom. It's near the top of its 52-week low, but it does have potential to go back up to $10. I doubt it. It has more potential to go back up to 770. It's I like this company. Its valuations aren't that bad, to be honest. So NBev. Chronos been dropping all night. Yes, Chronos is actually currently down in the pre-market as well. Let's see Chronos, how they're doing right now. I think they're doing bad, obviously. Down 1.83%. They're actually not doing as bad as Aurora in the pre-market, because Aurora is currently down. Let's see how Aurora is doing. Sorry, I was just checking a message. Aurora is down 3.3% in the pre-market. Let's look at Hexo. Oh no, that's the Canadian Hexo. We gotta look at the American Hexo. Hexo, I think, is also down. Every company is down in the pre-market, 1.89%. Let me know if anyone finds a company that is currently up in the pre-market, because as of now, all the companies that I've looked at, they're all down. Tesla is down in the pre-market, Apple's down, Netflix is down, Amazon's down, Facebook is down, Aurora, Canopy, Tilray, Hexo, Chronos, they're all down in the pre-market. So if you guys find a company that is currently up in the pre-market, that'd be nice to bring up and maybe see what's going on with that company. I posted the article in our group. I shared it on Facebook. The article just came out. Send a link to your article. I'll allow it, and then I'll check it out. So at some point after this pre-market show, I'm holding Aurora too because my profit there is too low. The decision is yours. Honestly, at the end of the day, if you're a long-term investor, I don't really think you can lose with Aurora Cannabis, because I think Aurora one day they're gonna beat their all-time highs. So there's no lose right now. Obviously, you might start see Aurora's gonna decline. Right now, Aurora's down 3.2% in the pre-market. Oh, by the way, there's 101 people in the chat room. Don't forget to leave me a like, guys. Quick little thumbs up helps my channel, helps out this live stream. So by the way, good morning everyone. Good morning Shivet. Good morning everyone. Good luck on the day. Good morning Levi. Yes, good luck to you. Today is going to be a red day. Red morning at least. We might see a red morning. Hopefully it bounce back. But pre-markets are looking ugly. Yeah, bro. It's all gamble right now. Can I follow you on Facebook or Insta? Yes, you guys are welcome to follow me on Instagram. I have a video of my puppies. So I'll leave my Instagram right here. It's investing.hustler. I don't even know how to spell right now. I'm like super tired. Yesterday I was running on 1 hour sleep because of the puppies. But yeah, so barista coffee. Yeah, I actually took a gamble with barista's coffee. I like the fact that they declined so much in 2 days. So hopefully they'll start making up for that huge decline. Ticker symbol BCCI. But right now they're downtrending. So of course, and they are a penny stock. So it's always a coin toss when it comes to penny stocks. What's a good buy, Afria or Aurora? That's tough. Because everyone loves Aurora, but then Aurora has its pros and cons. Aurora has a huge amount of shares outstanding. I don't know. That's a tough one. Right now, Afria is down 4.12%, and then with Afria, there's that whole allegation thing. So, but right now, Afria is very undervalued because of that. So it's like you're gambling between a company that doesn't really appreciate their shareholders because they keep diluting their shares, and a company that's dealing with allegations that have to do with fraud. So it's like, which one do you want to gamble on? I'm personally invested in both, but Afria is currently down 4.12% in the pre-market. So Afria is losing 4.2% in the pre-market. So almost 19. What's a good? You're almost 19, or is well, that's a good age to start investing at. You got your life ahead of you, and you're already thinking long term. Yo, who buys pot stocks during the dip? I'm gonna for sure be buying pot stocks during the dip, but I want it to dip more before I start buying more pot stocks. I sold 30,000 yesterday, 50% of my play cash, but still hold 50%. That's good, man. At least you collected some profits. Now you have some cash set aside, and you can start a position in cheap and one if it continues to decline, buy some cheap shares. I had Aurora for a quick swing trade. I almost lost out on. Huh. Well, that's good. At least you collected some profits. Rivers. T God. Okay, let's try to look at these. We have 8 minutes till the market opens. Let's see how Rivers is doing. RIV. Is that Canopy Rivers? Yes. So unfortunately, Rivers doesn't have a, an American ticker symbol, so we won't be able to look at the pre-market on this website. But Canopy Rivers right now, I don't know. Canopy Rivers has been declining so much since its IPO. They had a nice run. They almost went up to $6.20. Currently, in their technical analysis, they're a buy, and a neutral. Let's look at their 1 minute real quick. A sell, in technical analysis. Market cap 822 million. Shares outstanding 166 million. There's news that Canopy Growth to inject 30 million in additional capital into Canopy Rivers. So that might be good news for Canopy Rivers. That news came out today. So maybe, hopefully, that might push Canopy Rivers forward a little. But as of now, Canopy Rivers is a big risk because they've performed horribly since their IPO. But yeah, that's it for Canopy Rivers. Let's look at T God. Someone wanted to look at T God. I'm gonna try to do everyone's request. I don't know if we'll have time for all of them, but I'm gonna try to do everyone. T God right now. I don't think they have a pre-market on this website. So pre-market, you don't see nothing. But let's look at their technical analysis real quick. A buy, and a neutral. T God market cap 753 million, 257 million shares outstanding. Price to book 9.0. Honestly, T God, I think right now T God is very undervalued because if you look at their 1 year chart, T God at one point I think they almost went up to $9. See, look how high they went up here. So T God has a lot of potential to grow. Right now they're let's see, cannabis companies most likely to succeed. That's probably one of them is T God. I like the fact that they're an organic marijuana company. To be honest, that's what's doing it for me. And Bev could be reaching to New York is trying to stop the CBD drink. I think. I didn't hear about that, but I'd have to look into it. Rivers is up. Okay, that's good news. Yeah, because there is that news about Canopy purchasing 30 million worth of shares, so that might be pushing Canopy Rivers up. I'm hoping Tesla moves towards solar power with the new China factory coming in. Yeah, but Tesla's currently down pre-market, but Tesla is a long-term speculation stock. with a lot of potential. I love Tesla. I believe in their what they're trying to do. So MXWL, Morning Hustler Ultra is going up. I'll take a look at MXWL. I just want to look at all your comments real quick. Organogram down to 5.07 pre-market as well. Yes, all the marijuana companies right now, they're currently down pre-market. I think this is the most people I've ever had in my chat room, 119. So thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys. It's 9:25, 5 minutes till the market's open. Awesome dip. Ugly is it's pretty if you have sideline cash. Looking for higher lows. Yes, exactly. I'm looking for higher lows because I want to buy some more Aurora shares. I would love to buy some more Afria shares and some Canopy, but I doubt Canopy will ever drop to the price that I want to buy it at. But those are the shares that I'm looking to purchase, but they do need to go lower than what they are right now. Holy, I'm missing a lot of messages. I'm just gonna scroll down to the bottom because I'm here daily. I don't always talk. I watch and learn little by little. Well, thanks for joining, Levi. Tesla bought a battery company. Yes, they bought a battery company. I think it was Monday or something, or this Sunday, and that company went up 50% in one day. I actually talked about it on my pre-market show on Monday, and yeah, that the company that Tesla bought, I'd have to look for them. They were up 50% on that day. What's your ACB buy price? I would love to see Aurora Cannabis go below $8 Canadian, and then that's when I might start picking up some shares. But under 750 Canadian would be amazing, but who knows? I don't think they'll go down that low. Right now, Aurora is currently down in the pre-market. Let's take a look at Aurora in the pre-market real quick. Aurora is currently down 3.3% in the pre-market. I'm going to just try to read everyone's comment. I might not be able to answer everyone's request. Shout out to the Hustler. Thank you, Tommy. I'm here daily. Okay, let's see. I might not be able to. Rastafari. What's your ECB buy price? What other sectors are you invested in besides cannabis? I do own some Alibaba stocks. Alibaba had a nice day yesterday. I have like some random like modern. I forget what companies. I'd have to look at my bank and tell you exactly. I have some penny stocks that I'm invested in that they're like very high speculation stocks. But my biggest sector that I'm invested in is the marijuana industry. I do have some JD.com. I do have some. Let's see what else I have. Off the top of my head, I wouldn't be able to tell you right now, and I don't have time to be going. What other sectors? Okay, thanks and praise. Let's see what else everyone's saying. I'm here daily. I don't. Okay, I already read that. Thanks for doing the live pre-market chat. Anytime. I try to do it every morning. Good morning, Jad. How do you see TRVN? We have 2 minutes till the market opens. I'm just trying to read everyone's things right now. Maybe we could try to look. You buying this dip? It's not low enough for me to buy, but let's take a look at TRVN real quick. We have 2 minutes, but I will be picking up possibly some shares if they continue to dip. One company I might be looking at is Namaste, since they had that whole allegation thing. I might pick up Namaste if they continue to dip. So right now, TRVN is a buy, a strong buy. In the 1 minute, they're neutral. 1 minute till the market's open, guys. Market cap 124 million. Shares outstanding 82 million. I like the market cap. I like the shares outstanding. Price to revenue 22. That's a little high, but it's not bad. Let's look at their charts. They are close to their 50. No, they're in the middle of their 52-week low. So it's not bad, but they did have a nice run. So they might start to decline and lose all those gains, but as of now, TRVN, not a bad company. 1 minute till the market opens. Hope you are up and good again. I once, 13 years ago, got robbed for 2 Somalians when I was working in a shop. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, it happens. Everything happens for a reason, but I'm here and I'm feeling good, so there's no worries. Morning, what do you think of Oxley news? We have 1 minute. I don't know if we're gonna have time. Puppies, have a good day. Afria, ACB. Afria is currently down in the market. Aurora is currently down in the market. Let's take a look at. I might have to make a video on Oxley news. You know what? I might start making a video on the questions that I missed in the pre-market because sometimes I don't get to answer them all. So maybe I'll make a video on all the questions that I wasn't able to answer. But as of now, markets are open, guys. You guys have a good day. And good luck in the day. It looks like a red day today. We're gonna find out just now. Have a good day. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.